Here we are at a really old railroad, and Bethlehem. $1897. 1897, man. That is old. They painted it though. It's cool, man. It's pretty original. It's like a coal burning stove. Too bad there was no way to get in. It's about enough on this. Some old infrastructure over here too. These tracks are very old. Some writing here. No date though. Chicago. Peterson Muller. 1942. Can't really see the date from there. Well, here's some. See, that's a 42. What's left of it. More of that. It still works. It's over 100 years old. And then there's a date there. It says 1907. But it doesn't matter because it was a later date. That's also on it. Here's a cool fork in the railroad. Got this little design here that they had to do. There's another switch. This one is a three-way. And there's more switching stations up there. Here's another old switching something or another. Pivoted left and right, it appears, and this way. There it is. It's very old. It's like from the 1800s. So bright. It's like directly in the sun. But this was some kind of a gauge. cool. This thing is just laying here. Anybody could just take it. D and BQ. This thing hasn't been used in years. Old metal bucket with spikes in it. That's all that's left. Who knows how old this paint is. It says rebuilt 1978. Right there. It says 78, but it's got a shadow. This is a original that's just gonna rot and have to be replaced. It's cool though. I don't even know what this is. Same thing with this one. Pretty much what we just passed, but look at the chain on that thing. It's from 1949. See the chain? And there was the date right there, 1949. Cool. They still used wood. This would open. And so does that one. This one is really old. I don't even know what it is. Now this thing must be missing something. And then this thing is one old behemoth. It's made by Plymouth. The sun is, there we go. The sun was in my eyes. This thing is totally derelict. made by Plymouth. Who knows when it was last used? Another big chain. This thing has wood in its construction, so this thing is probably the 20s. It's cool, man. I would like to buy it. This piece of wood right here seems pretty strong, so that's the inside. This piece of metal here doesn't belong. It's covering the seat though, I guess protecting it. It's cool though. Maybe I'll get around the other side. Yeah, this is a better view. I can't get inside it because of this metal thing, but there's a bird's nest. Some kind of a button for something. I don't know what that is up there, but it's some kind of a part from the 1920s. There's the knobs. The gauge. Got this switch right here. That's pretty much it. And then there's another one over there. Can't really see it from here that good. So that's in here. It's cool. This window would have might open, but frozen solid. Look it down. And this thing just keeps going, man. This old abandoned railroad. And it continues for a really long time, so signing out, man. It's been a long, strange trip.